What is good, people? Y'all already know what's good. We in the garage right now. We on the bike projects. I'm off today. Try to do as much work as I can. But yeah, we got a new and another new collection, So we got a race quad over there, so way later in the mix, way later. I'm not even gonna mention nothing else about that. But we got the 05 R1 track bike, you know what I'm saying? 10K miles on. Waiting on the cluster and the paperwork from the homie. And then yeah. But so far, this right here, forks right here are bad. The front rim is bad. The front, the stay bracket is broke. Triple tree is done for. The top is done for. As you can see, the top is fully done for. So boom, radiator and fans, we'll need those again. Possibly a gas tank. We do have a good little dent inside the gas tank, and I'm not sure if I can pop that out. It went through a bad life, so let's just say this is the stuff I bought, and this is stuff that's gonna go on the bike and help the bike run again. Headlights, the front rim, we got the new forks. I already bought the new forks. Top triple tree. We got more fairings and stuff. This is fairings that I had got right here. The bike pretty much came like this with the front end like hanging on and stuff like that by a freaking bolt. So yeah, that was pretty bad, but you can see we still got a lot of the sensors and stuff like that in here, which is good. We got the lock mechanism right here, but it's kind of pointless when you don't have the key for it. So I still need to get the stay bracket, the visor, the front fairing, another tank cap, another back tire eventually. Hopefully that front tire is good. Be able to clean the chain, because I think the chain just needs a little bit of cleaning, really. Like, I think it just needs a little bit of cleaning. So that would be a starting point on this right here. So I mean, I don't know, let's see what we can do, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Hella bad. Here are the new triples and forks. No leaking at all. We're all good, baby. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and install it. We got the dampeners right here. The old dampener, which is this one right here. This one is bent on the arm, so we can't reuse this one. We still got the bracket right here though, so we're gonna go ahead and put the OEM back in that. Yeah, so that's the rim right here, which I'm gonna take the tire and everything to work tomorrow so I can get the tire and stuff done. I'm taking the ignition out from the broken fork tree, that way boss man can go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, make me a key real quick, you know what I'm saying. So I have a key for this ignition, and then the gas tank as well. I'm probably gonna go ahead and get this dent out of this tank. I'm not sure, get the dent out or just go ahead and replace it with the red one that's over there at the job. and then go ahead and swap the gas caps in them. Also 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, I said a lot of stuff. So back to this, what I was just saying real quick. Taking the brake system off of this bike. I'm taking front and back brake system off of this bike, and I'm upgrading it to the braided lines. And these both, well, all sets have good brakes in them. So the back brakes, as you can see, is regular wires, well, wires, hoses, as you can see. Put a stress on that. Here's the other one, pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the fluids, and you know what I'm saying, just flush them out and stuff. But you can see that brake, steel brake lines. There you go. So good pads and everything. Gonna just run those. So that's good. Take that system off. As far as the fronts, here's the fronts. It has the upgrade housing, and then we have the brake lines right here. On the other brake system, I have to take this lever out right here, take it off, and I'll be able to use that on this system here, because that's all it's missing. It's just the brake lever off of it. That way we don't have to like try to bleed the system and stuff like that. And I'm not sure if these brakes are even leaking. I know they're full of gunk and full of brake juice and stuff like that from the accident. So why not use some fresh stuff and fresh pads as well. So we're gonna go ahead and take all that off. We're gonna go ahead and take this line back off, because I had to mount it there. I figured that I was gonna go ahead and use this system on a brake system, but instead of going ahead and finding the reservoir and then bleeding out the system and everything like that, and worrying about if the system is leaking down there, we're gonna go ahead and just swap it out with the steel brake lines in this system.
So guess what? One peg was fully broken, and not only that, the bolt is all crooked and bent. You can probably see it like that. Yeah, it's crooked and bent. So you boy got another one, and I found it in a drawer of like bolts from everywhere in China and all that and wherever. But yeah, I found the bolt that can't possibly fix this right here. Same thread pattern, a little bit taller than it. But it'll work. I also have a peg that I'm going to replace it with. Let's see, where is that dang peg? Is it in here? There it is. Boom, got the peg. See, this peg right here used to look like that. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. It was supposed to be that big. Now look how small it is. It was supposed to be this big. Now look how small it is. Before and after. But yeah. And then this one right here actually has a spacer in there. Yeah, so that'll work.